Hello, my name is Diana. I've been working as an English teacher for 5 years now. I have a bachelor's degree in translating from Eastern Ukrainian National University, and also I've got a TESOL certificate that gives me an opportunity to teach students all over the world. I work with students for different ages from 5 to 55 years old, from starters to upper intermediates. When it comes to my teaching approach, I really believe that every student needs an individual approach. So my teaching style is dynamic, and I try to make my lessons fun, interesting, and entertaining for all my students. I really believe that the most important aspect of learning is speaking, so I'm trying to do my best to teach my students to speak. Приходите в школу Unity. Мы проработаем все аспекты изучения иностранного языка и научим вас говорить.